Welcome back to my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook channel. If this is your first time here, you're not here by accident. Sa mundong puno ng ingay, drama, pressure at pain, lahat tayo tinatamaan ng salita, ng tao, ng problema, ng sitwasyon. But Stoicism teaches us one powerful truth. You don't control what happens to you, but you control how it affects you. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang 10 Stoic Principles na magtuturo sa iyo kung paano maging mentally unbreakable, emotionally calm at hindi basta-basta naaapektuhan ng mundo. This is not about being cold. This is about being strong inside. Let's begin. 1. Control what you can. Release what you can't. Stoicism starts here. Hindi lahat ng bagay kaya mong kontrolin. Opinions ng tao, past mo, action nila, resulta ng ibang tao. Pero isang bagay lang ang kaya mong kontrolin palagi, ang response mo. Kapag tinanggap mo na may mga bagay na nawala sa kamay mo, automatic bumababa ang stress. Hindi ka na biktima, ikaw na ang may hawak ng sarili mong isip. Number 2. Don't take things personally. Most pain comes from this mistake. Akala natin tungkol sa atin, pero kadalasan tungkol iyon sa kanilang insecurities, fears at wants. Stoics understand this deeply. What people say or do reflects who they are, not who you are. Kapag natutunan mong hindi gawing personal ang lahat, nawawala ang emotional control nila sa'yo. At number 3, silence is power. Stoicism values silence over reaction. Hindi lahat ng laban kailangang sagutin. Hindi lahat ng insulto kailangang patulan. Minsan, ang katahimikan ang pinakamalakas na sagot. Tahimik ka hindi dahil mahina. Tahimik ka dahil alam mong hindi lahat deserve ng energy mo. At number 4, expect hardship, not comfort. Isa sa pinaka-deep na stoic mindset. Kapag palagi mong inaasahan ang comfort, mas masakit kapag dumating ang problema. Pero kapag inexpect mo na may hirap, mas handa ka mentally at emotionally. Stoics don't ask, why me? They ask, what can this teach me? Number 5. Detach from outcomes. Gawin mo ang best mo pero huwag mong itali ang happiness mo sa resulta. Why? Dahil outcomes are not always in your control. Effort is. Kapag natutunan mong mahalin ang proseso, kahit anong mangyari, panalo ka pa rin. Number 6. Master your emotions. Don't suppress them. Stoicism is not about ignoring emotions. It's about understanding them. Ang galit, lungkot, takot, normal yan. Pero hindi sila dapat ang nagdedesisyon para sa'yo. Observe your emotions. Name them. Then choose your response. Ikaw ang boss, hindi ang emosyon mo. Number 7. Live according to your values, not opinions. Kapag values mo ang guide mo, hindi ka basta-basta natitinag ng opinyon ng iba. Trends change, people change, opinions change, pero ang character mo, iyan ang dapat stable. Stoics live with integrity kahit walang nanonood. Number 8. Accept impermanence. Lahat ay lilipas. Good times, bad times, pain, success, at relationships. Kapag tinanggap mo ito, hindi ka masyadong kumakapit at hindi ka rin masyadong natatakot mawalan. Stoicism teaches calm acceptance. Nothing lasts forever and that's okay. At number 9, train the mind daily. Ang lakas ng isip ay hindi biglang dumarating. Ito ay ine-ensayo araw-araw. Reflection, journaling, silence, self-discipline. Kung ang katawan may workout, ang isip may training din. Strong mind, peaceful life. Number 10. Be indifferent to praise and criticism. Papuri at insulto. Parehong delikado. Kapag hinayaan mong palakpakan ka ang magbigay ng saya, masisira ka rin kapag nawala ito. Stoics remain centered, hindi lumilipad sa papuri. Hindi rin nadudurog sa criticism. Ang tunay na lakas ay galing sa loob. Kapag isinabuhay mo ang mga prinsipyo na ito, mapapansin mong hindi na lahat nakakagalaw sa iyo. Hindi dahil wala ka ng pakialam, kundi dahil alam mo na kung saan dapat ilagay ang energy mo. You become calm, you become grounded, and you become unshakable. If this message gave you clarity, peace, or strength, that means you're ready for a higher level of thinking. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more stoic wisdom, deep life lessons, mindset that makes you stronger every day. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs calm in their life, and comment below. Which stoic principle hit you the hardest and why? Thank you for being here. This channel is not just content, it's a journey, and I'll see you in the next video.